Hey guys, it's Arking Samuel representing for Armour. In this video, I have a shoulder routine that you could use, mainly for beginners, but advanced lifter also could use it. Definitely a shoulder routine you should have in your program. I actually do it myself. I change it up every now and then, but I do use this. So check out the video. Let me know. Subscribe, like, comment, all those good things, man. You're gonna like this video, and see you later. Hey guys, so one of the movements I usually start out with, at least 90% of the time, is lateral raises, cable lateral raises. It's definitely a workout set, but it definitely warms up the shoulders for what I'm about to do later on during this program or during this workout, the shoulder workout. So lateral raises is usually what I start out with. And I try to go as slow as possible so I can feel it. Try not to hold too much time at the bottom and go right up right away. And just make sure I feel it. And just reverse it like you see right here. And same thing, slow as possible. You ain't gotta go super slow, but you know, just enough that you feel the workout. We're not trying to rush through this. We're trying to build muscle. We're trying to get stronger. So this is definitely something even advanced, but most importantly, beginners. Definitely, if you're looking for a shoulder workout, definitely you can start out with the lateral raises. It worked out for me. So the second movement I use is the face pull. Face pull works on the postural deltoids of the shoulder. Honestly, guys, the reason why I do this one is because I usually forget about using it or doing that movement. What's going on, bro? It's one of those movements that I actually forget about doing, and it's so necessary when you're doing a shoulder workouts. It definitely touch on the real delts, and it's something that you should add to your routine. The next movement, guys, is the sitting overhead press with the Smith machine. I do this rather than the overhead press with the barbell. It's because there's no cheating in this. You're in the Smith machine, you're already locked in, and there's no jerking. It's just straight all shoulder press. And I do this. I prefer this only because you cannot cheat. You can't do no jerking. You can't do no faking. So this movement is definitely a plus. Hey guys, this is definitely a movement you would definitely want to add to your program. It's the Arnold press. I started from the bottom. Nothing to it. It's just I usually start at the top. So, but man, let me tell you, if you want your shoulders hit all the way around, this is definitely a movement you want to do, and you want to make sure you catch that rhythm. You don't need to be robotic about it. Not saying that doesn't work that way, but I feel that when you catch the rhythm and you do it, it's much better than hit all angles of your shoulders, man. And then, especially when you go a little bit heavier, and now everybody heavy is different. When you go a little bit heavier, man, let me tell you, it tacks definitely on the shoulders where they need to be. If you want complete muscle development in your shoulders, make sure you do these seated rail delt raises. Is definitely again a must. I do them because it's one of those exercises I actually be forgetting all about. You should not go heavy in this. You don't need to, because everything is about rhythm and form. So definitely have this in your program, guys.